It's Thursday, September 18th. Good morning, Montgomery County. I'm Steve, and here's your daily dose of smarts for your ears. Morning clouds, drizzle, and fog fade after sunrise with dry sunshine later. Highs land in the low to mid-80s today, and tonight turns mostly clear with lows in the mid-50s to low 60s. No rain or storms are expected, so outdoor plans look good. Bottom line, it's a warm day followed by a cool, comfy night. A 55-year-old visitor, Abby Elaine Dunn, died after a shooting in Dickerson. Police found her in an upstairs bedroom with a thigh wound. The call came from the 23,000 block of Mount Ephraim Road. She died Saturday, and detectives are investigating it as a homicide. An autopsy was performed Sunday, and the results are pending. No charges have been filed at this time, police say. Crime Solvers takes anonymous tips. You can call 866-411-8477. Work is underway to rebuild Greenbriar Local Park's big playground in Potomac. It's at 12525 Glen Road, and the 2024 fire caused $1 million in damage. Montgomery Park expects completion by mid-November, weather permitting. The small park and the rest of the park remain open. Park police will seek tips related to the fire investigation. 5 to Thrive Bubble Tea Festival hits Rockville Town Square on Saturday, September 20th from 10 to 4. The Crepe Shop is setting up at 202 Ellington Boulevard in downtown Crown. T-Horse Sichuan Bistro opens mid-October at 3830 International Drive. Spirit Halloween is returning to Congressional Plaza at 1683 Rockville Pike. And Montgomery County Public School students are donating 6 refurbished desktops and a printer to a nonprofit. Thank you, kids. Quick coffee sip time. Takoma Park's new 9,000 square foot library is officially open. Monday's ribbon cutting welcomed neighbors to 101 Philadelphia Avenue. The building includes a senior room, computer center, and recreation area. Feels good to say, hey, I'll see you at Storytime and Study Hall. Stick around, I got a clean dad joke coming up. Burger tour, anyone? Thanks to a fresh MoCo shortlist. Sunshine General Store's Classic stands tall at 22300 Georgia Avenue. Steve's Burger pops up at Uncorked in Chevy Chase Lake. And Friday, it's West Side Shady Grove in Durwood at 5. Poolsville's Crossvines Burger remains a scenic and cheesy crowd pleaser. All right, now the dad joke. Why did the Scarecrow get promoted? He was outstanding in his field. Oh my gosh. That's your Montgomery County Morning in minutes. Share this with a neighbor who needs a quick local brief. Stay safe and subscribed. See ya.